Mars is our backup planet, but getting there, a nightmare. SpaceX wants to take humans to Mars, but did you know they'll be stuck there for over 2 years? Let me explain why. Mars is 225 million kilometers away, so rockets can't just fly in a straight line. Instead, they have to time the launch perfectly when Mars and Earth are closest, and this happens only every 26 months. That's more than 2 years. And the thing is, if you miss this window, you're waiting for over 2 years for another chance. And another challenge is Mars has no atmosphere. Why is that dangerous? Mars has an atmosphere, but it's 100 times thinner than Earth's. This means no breathable air and no protection from the sun's deadly radiation. On Earth, our thick atmosphere absorbs radiation. But what about on Mars? It literally hits you directly. And Mars is freezing, averaging from minus 60 Celsius, which is seriously even more colder than Antarctica. What about water and food? Why can't we just bring supplies? The thing is, bringing everything we need from Earth is practically too expensive. And one rocket launch itself costs millions. And Mars is water, we can use it, but it's frozen underground, which means our astronauts will have to melt it and then filter it and go through a long chain process. What about food? Martian soil is practically too toxic. So NASA is working on hydroponic farms. These are basically plants that grow without soil. Seriously, without soil. Living on Mars. Why do we need underground bases? Because of radiation and dust storms. SpaceX plans to build underground habitats or pressurized domes with oxygen. And some ideas even suggest 3D printing homes using Martian soil. Okay, so how is SpaceX exactly solving this problem? SpaceX Starship will land first with supplies before sending the astronauts. And then the astronauts will use the solar power for energy, and they will also make rocket fuel from Mars carbon dioxide, so they don't have to bring it from Earth. And I have a question for you guys. Could you survive on Mars? SpaceX is working on it, but would you actually live there? Drop a like if you'd go. Thank you for watching.